Alright guys, so we're back, and I had to go run and get a little bit of hardware to put my stuff in, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up here. If you're in Black River Falls, Jackson County, anywhere in the area, you're going to want to stop by and see my friends at Hardware Hank at Moes. You can get everything there. This guy has got tackle, he's got guns, he's got tackle, he's got guns, hardware, guns, Traeger pellets. Everything's cheap. He's cheaper than Walmart, which for a small business hardware store in a small town, I'm not sure how that's possible, but Moes Hardware in Black River Falls, you're going to want to hit them up for guns, tackle, guns, and Traeger pellets, and hardware. But this is a shout out to them. We went out there and we got some stuff, so I want to show you what we got. This is a quick disconnect for my trolling motor. I have a deep cycle battery. It's actually sitting over here on the charger. I got a battery box. Got a bunch of other accessories to go with the trolling motor. All cheap. Less money I spent than I would have spent at somewhere else. It's a small business, so make sure you guys hit them up. This is $14.99. I don't know what this is at the other guy's shop, but $14.99. So we got that. We're gonna hook it up. We got some screws. So we're gonna get at it. I just wanted to let you guys know where to go get your gear.